Qalliin baaritaan ah oo lagu sameeyay meydka Caroline Kangongo oo ka tirsanayd ciidamada ammaanka ee dalka Kenya ayaa natiijada ka soo baxday waxay tilmaamaysaa inay istoogatay. Waxaa arrinkan shaaca ka qaaday Dr. Johansen Oduor oo ah sarkaalka dowladda dhexe u qaabilsan baaritaanada lagu sameeyo meydadka. Dr. Oduor ayaa xusay in haweeneydani ay u geeriyootay dhaawac ka soo gaadhay dhanka madaxa oo ay xabad iskaga dhufatay.
I've just completed the autopsy of the body of the late Caroline Kangongo, and what I found out is she died because of a single gunshot wound to the head. The bullet entered the body through the right chin, exited on the left side of the head, and there was a trajectory going through the spine, through the brain. When I look at this gunshot wound entry, it was a contact wound, meaning that the gun was on the skin. There was what made me thought so. There was a hole which is caused by the bullet. There was a soot. There was areas of burning and what is called muzzle imprint. Of course, there were stories of whether she was shot or she shot herself. We will be able to establish this once we've done other investigation which we are doing. We've taken swabs from the hand to find out whether there's any gunshot residues, which will be able to tell us that. But in summary, what killed her was a single gunshot wound to the head. Who are the scene looked like the incident occurred at the scene. From what I got from the investigating officers who are there, because me, I've not gone to the scene, but that's what I got from the investigating officers. So it looked like probably she died at the scene. From what I've been told, and from the relatives who've identified her, she's Caroline Kangongo, yes.
Baaritaanka ayaa shalay lagu sameeyay isbitaalka Moi ee magaalada Eldoret ee ismaamulka Uasin Gishu. Jimcihii la soo dhaafay ayay ahayd markii qoyska Caroline ay walaaca ka muujiyeen in qaliinka oo horey loo qorsheeyay xilli dambe dib loo dhigay. Waxa ay doonayeen in meydkeeda ay aasaan Sabtidii oo ay taariikhdu ahayd 24 bishan toddobaad. Haweeneydani ayaa la arkay iyadoo meyd ah kadib 10 cisho oo ay ciidamada ammaanka raadinayeen maadaama lagu eedeeyay inay dishay 2 qof.